Let me show you how to create a twisted spiral shape. Press Shift A, select Curve and Curve Spiral. Go to the geometry properties and increase the depth. Select the object, right-click, and set the origin to object. Press Shift S and select cursor to selected. Press Shift A, add an empty, and add a plane axis. Select the spiral, go to the modifier tab and add array. Turn off relative object and turn on object offset, then select the empty. First, rotate the empty on the Z-axis, then adjust it a little on the X and Y axis. Select the object. Go to the Modifier tab and add Simple Deform. Choose Bend and shape the object as desired. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for quick Blender tips. Thanks for watching.